Hey everyone, hope you are having an amazing day. As you know that we are starting a series of Instagram videos in which we are learning Instagram tricks. So in today's video we will see how to find your contacts on Instagram. So without further delays, let's get into our video. First of all, just open Instagram. After that, go to your profile section, and from here just tap on these three lines and go to discover people. And here you can see there is an option of connect contacts, so you just have to click on this connect, and after that just tap on this get started. So just tap on allow. After refreshing this page, in the all suggestions list, most of the persons are in my contact list, and Instagram is showing these profiles to me so that I may add these persons to my Instagram account. Okay, so this is not 100% accurate, but most of the accounts are in my contact list and I can add these persons to my Instagram. So this is how you can find your contacts on Instagram. Hope you have liked this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.